Assalamualaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are absolutely fine, inshallah. Today we are starting a new topic of your biology 10th textbook, that is biotechnology. We will discuss the important short questions and MCQs in this chapter 2 as we did before. So starting from here, the first MCQ is animal breeding is a form of biotechnology. The topic is introduction of biotechnology. Define biotechnology. Biotechnology is defined as the use of living organisms in processes for the manufacture of useful products or for services. Next is the definition of genetic engineering. Genetic engineering is the artificial synthesis, modification, removal, addition and repair of genetic material and is considered as modern biotechnology. If we talk about the MCQs, then the first MCQ is taken from the definition of biotechnology. Then genetic engineering may be selected as an important MCQ. The work on genetic engineering started in 1944. In 1970, scientists were able to cut and paste the DNA of organism. In 1978, scientists prepared human insulin by inserting the insulin gene in bacteria. Very important MCQ. And another MCQ includes, in 1990, the Human Genome Project was launched to map all the genes in human cell. The last MCQ includes, the complete map of human genome was published in 2002. Next topic is scope and importance of biotechnology. Very important long question, as well as a number of MCQ may be taken from this topic. Before studying this topic, we will see the MCQ like human began using microorganisms as early as 4000 BC for making wine, vinegar, cheese, yogurt, etc. Some important areas of application of biotechnology are discussed next. The first area is biotechnology in the field of medicine. This may be asked in the form of short question, then you have to write the complete topic. And if they ask about the MCQ, then in the field of medicine, biotechnology synthesize insulin and interferon. Interferon, which is antiviral protein from bacteria and release for cell. The study of DNA helps in the identification of criminals. Very important MCQ. The next topic is biotechnology in the field of food and agriculture. The first question is, how fermented foods are produced? Fermented foods, for example, pickles, yogurt, malted foods, for example, powdered milk, mixture of barley, wheat, flour and whole milk, various vitamins and dairy products are produced by using microorganisms. What are transgenic plants? Transgenic plants, organisms with modified genetic setup, are called transgenic plants. If we talk about the MCQs, wine, beer are produced in beverage industry. Transgenic goats, chicken, cows give more food and milk, etc. Many animals like mice, goats, cows, etc. have been made transgenic to get medicine through their milk and blood or urine. Next is the biotechnology and environment. Important MCQs like biotechnology is also being used for dealing with environmental issues like pollution control, development of renewable source of energy, restoration of degraded lands and biodiversity conservation. Bacterial enzymes are used to treat sewage water to purify. The next topic is fermentation. Very important short questions and MCQs may be selected from this topic. Define fermentation is the first question over here. Fermentation is the process in which there is incomplete oxidation reduction of glucose. In 1857, Pasteur convinced the scientific community that all fermentations are the result of microbial activity. It may be asked in the form of MCQ. Next is the classification of fermentation. Fermentations are classified in terms of products form. First of all, there is carbohydrate fermentation. The definition of carbohydrate fermentation is given there, and MCQ may be selected like the process of carbohydrate fermentation begins with glycolysis. Carbohydrate fermentation results in the formation of various products from pyruvic acid. This is the carbohydrate fermentation and its products and it is its diagrammatical representation. You have to indicate carbohydrate fermentation like this. And the next two basic types of carbohydrate fermentation will be discussed in the next video inshallah. Okay, thank you very much.